Hello viewers, welcome to this comprehensive guide on data visualization principle and techniques of Tableau. In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of data visualization, learn how to create basic and advanced charts in Tableau. So let's dive right in. Some key principles to keep in mind are: number 1, clarity and simplicity. Keep your visualization simple, avoid clutter and unnecessary elements that could confuse the viewer. Second one is relevance. Display only relevant data. Use consistent colors, styles and labels throughout your visualization. Ensure that your data is accurately represented without any misinterpretation. Provide context to your data by adding titles, labels and descriptions. Always remember, effective data visualization is the process of representing data in graphical or visual formats to uncover insights, patterns, and trends within the data. Some common type of charts are bar chart, line chart, scatter plot, etc. Each of these charts serves a specific purpose, and choosing the right one depends on the data and the story you want to tell. Now let's jump into Tableau and learn how to create basic charts and graph. Here we have a dataset called sales store. We will create our complete visualization on this dataset. We'll create a simple bar chart to visualize the sales data for different products. For example, let's find out region-wise total sales from the sales store data and represent it into a bar chart. Now, to do this, select region dimension into the row and sales measure into the column. Now select sum option of the sales. This kind of chart is called bar chart as it represents data in bars. Here, this chart shows the total number of sales in respect of various regions. We can add other measures into the chart as per our requirement. Now the next one is line chart. We will try to figure out year-wise sale of the sales store. Let's select sales data to column and the sales measure to the row. We can see Tableau automatically combine sales data into related years and sales into total sales. Now this is called line chart. Now scatter plot. For example, let's find out region-wise total sales and profit through scatter plot. Select the profit and sales measure one by one and drag and drop into row and column shelves. Now select region dimension and put it into this chart. We can see in the right side legend option, various regions are showing along with their representative shape. If we click on these shapes, we'll get the details. Here, in case of Northwest Territories, profit is 5955 lakh. So it's showing it into 50k to 60k profit area. And sales is 275141, thus it shows in between 250k to 300k sales area. This way, the position of respective regions are shown in scatter plot chart. Dual axis charts are powerful for comparing two different measures on the same visualization. We'll show you how to create dual axis charts and interpret the results. Let's find out total profit against each customer segment. We'll also include order quantity into the chart. First, let's drag and drop profit and customer segment into row and columns. Now add order quantity into the chart by dragging and dropping it into the chart. Now we can see where order quantity is high, the bar is showing deeper color, and in case of order quantity low, then the bar is showing lighter color. Right side legend card also showing the same. In this way, we can create dual axis chart in Tableau. Using geographical map, we can get region-wise information through a map. In our dataset, we already have latitude and longitude column. This represents geographical information of the particular region. Now let's find out region-wise sales related information using maps. First, we need to put longitude and latitude into column and rows. Now change the chart type to map. This view represents available region in our dataset. Now let's drag cell store into the sheet. Here we can see total number of available store in each region. Right side legends represents the criteria of circle size, which represents number of stores. The larger the circle shows, the number of stores are also in big numbers. Similar way, we can use profit, sales, order quantity, etc. to get required information from the map. Filters help you to focus on specific data sets, allowing you to analyze data from different angles. Now, let's add filter to analyze year-wise sales data. As we would like to filter year-wise data, so we need to put sales data into the filter box. Now let's select only 2004 and 2009 to filter out other information. So you can see this way you can filter entire data as per your requirement. Tableau allows you to customize the appearance of your visualization. Let's explore how to choose custom colors, levels, and adjust other visual elements to make your chart visually appealing and more informative. Here in this scatter plot chart, let's customize colors, size and shape and levels. Select this region filter. Now click here and change it into different colors. Now we can see the shapes are changing into different colors and it also reflects on legend. Similar way, let's change other option. If we change the size option, it will give us combined amount of sales and profit and it reflects it into the circle size. Here, West has the highest amount of combined sales and profit figure. Thus, it's showing in largest circle among all the regions. Now, if you want to change overall charts, color, size or levels, we'll do it through mark option. Here, if we would like to change the chart type, select the respective chart from this option. Thus, we can convert one chart into another chart from this option. Similarly, let's change the color of overall chart. Select color and change it as per your choice. One of the most powerful features in the Tableau is the ability to create interactive dashboard. We'll show you how to combine multiple charts into a dashboard and set up filters for interactive exploration. Now let's show all these three charts into a single window called dashboard. Click on the dashboard option below. Now drag all these three charts one by one. Now our dashboard is ready for presentation. Congratulations, you have just completed an overview of data visualization principles and Tableau technique. Armed with this knowledge, you can now create impactful visualization and explore data interactively and gain valuable insights. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Tableau tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.